So last class of the internship program for batch 2. Um, in this class, we are going to learn about how you can go ahead and create your own information product. And the assignment is going to be that you have to generate at least one sale of your information product, and we will get into the details of it on how you are going to do it. And this is the exercise that we gave as the last assignment for batch 1. And in batch 1, a lot of people were hesitant to go ahead and create their own information product and put it out there, right? And until the first information product that you create, and until you go ahead and get the first sale, it's going to be like a very vague concept. You are thinking that probably I cannot do this, I'm not capable of doing it, and you might have all that self doubts. But my life changed when I sold my first information product for the first time and got my first sale. And I still remember the first 999 rupees sale that came in. It was through the Learn Digital Marketing group. And then I started reinvesting money back into my funnels and slowly started growing my empire. So that is what I want you to experience. Until now, you have experienced running Google ads, running Facebook ads, running marketing automation and everything. So now it is time to create information products, right? So I will go ahead and share whatever I have in mind in terms of how you can go ahead and how you can go ahead and get started with it. I will also share some of the things that I use as an information product creator. So let me share the mind map. So one thing I would like to tell you is that earlier I was more inclined to go ahead and teach you how to do this agency stuff and how to develop client proposals, how to pitch to clients, and how to go ahead and convert it. But right now it looks like during the lockdown period, what will happen is that you will not be able to go ahead and meet clients and will not be able to really run the agency model efficiently, at least as of now. You are going to be more of a freelancer to start with. So I'm going to keep the focus on information product creation. We can do further modules on agency stuff. That should not be a problem. But the assignment is going to be related to creating an information product. I hope you are okay with it, right? I know that everyone wants to learn about how to approach clients, how to develop client proposals as well. That is also something that we will cover, but not in today's class. We will do an additional class for it. If you're okay with it, just type okay in the chat box. All right, fantastic. Everyone seems to be okay with it. The assignment will not be related to agency stuff, and we will just have an additional class related to agency stuff. All right, let me go ahead and share my screen. So deadline and everything, I will let you know. Nikhil Kalra, yes, the assignment will involve selling the product. So one second. A lot of people seem to be having audio issues. Let me just go ahead and please click on join audio. I think it's join audio. Why are people having audio issues? I don't know. Anyway, I've muted everyone, and you will not be able to unmute yourself until I open it up. Towards the end of this class, I will let you unmute yourself. Shouldn't be a problem. So class 7 internship program. So what is the goal? The goal is to discover and understand the process of creating and selling an information product. So that's the goal of it. And let's look at the process. And you have to create an information product. It could be an ebook. It could be a series of videos. It could be an interview. It could be a webinar. It could be anything. All right. Okay. So 1 second. Yes. It could be an ebook / series of videos or webinar. And the idea is that you should be able to. So guys, please don't share your screens. I think the screen sharing option is available for everyone, but I think some people mistakenly are sharing your screen because this is a meeting, not a webinar. Not sure if I can disable that, but please don't do that. It's breaking the flow. All right, I will just turn it off from the security. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for the suggestion, Ankush Anand. I didn't realize that. Turned it off. All right, so now I have someone drawing on my screen. I don't know who it is. Please don't draw on my screen, guys. What is this? How can I share my screen now? Who is that black sheep? I can disable annotation. Can I disable annotation? Kamna, just check if we can disable annotation. Kamna, I will make you a panelist. But there is no panelist option here. Anyway, so let's just continue and hope that that doesn't happen again. All right, fine. Siddhant Sharma is giving me a suggestion here. Seeing if there is a way to disable annotations. Yes, disable. Okay, there is an option to show the names of the annotators. Now I can see you guys. I can see your names. Pooja Yadav, bunch of Samit Chatterjee. Guys, come on, Mohammed. Okay, fine. Anyway, I can see your names. Wow, guys, wow. Sorry, I'm getting distracted with all this, but all right. I'll just disable the annotation now. I found it how to do it. Yes, R&D annotation disabled. People just have this habit though to get attention. Guys, go do your own Zoom webinars. Go get your own students. All right, so I think now we are good to go. Nobody can share their screen. Nobody can do annotations. At least we learned. DD Army backbenchers, Nikhil is saying. All right. Okay, so let's get serious, guys. Enough of be fun. Um, I think chat can be on. That should be fine. If you don't want to be distracted with the chat, just close the chat window. So the idea is that you go ahead and create an information product for at least 99, and you can do it all the way up to, there is no limit, but try if you can sell it for 999. We had a few people in the previous batch who sold it for 1997. In fact, you can end it with 7. Uh, Apparently that has a higher conversion according to testing. So the process is that you have to go ahead and first select a niche. So select a niche. In fact, select a micro niche. And once you select a micro niche, you will be able to go ahead and don't worry too much about what is the micro niche that you are selecting. It's okay to just select a niche which is something that is related to your passion. And if you are interested in health or something like that, just go ahead and create an ebook. If you create a video, and if you create a series of videos, you will be a lot likely to be able to sell it. And now that you know how to run Google Ads and Facebook ads, you can drive some traffic to it and generate a sale, or you can go ahead and share the link in some groups or get some traffic to your blog and sell it there. So first select a micro niche, and second, you create the product. So what product are you ready to create? What kind of product are you ready to create? Go ahead and put it in the chat box. Is it going to be an ebook? Is it going to be a video? A lot of people are saying ebook. But guys, it might be a little bit difficult to go ahead and sell an ebook because there are ebooks are everywhere and people don't value ebooks so much. If you create an online live class like a webinar for 99 rupees, that is going to help. Or you can go ahead and create a video product, series of videos, like maybe 5 videos, right? Whiteboard animation videos, it could be slide deck videos, or maybe it is just you talking in front of the camera. That is also fine, right? If you go ahead and talk in front of the camera, you will be able to create a series of videos. You can create something like 5 minute videos and 25 minutes, and it should solve a problem, right? So select a micro niche. So how do you select a micro niche? Identify a need in the market and solve a specific small problem, right? If there is a specific small problem, then you will be able to go ahead and solve that problem for people. So just to try to brainstorm, go ahead and put it in the chat box. What is that you are ready to create as a product? And then we will do one more exercise where you will kind of get some clarity. Uh, what is the topic that you are going to create? Go ahead and put it in the chat box. How to build a basic funnel, photography, SEO live class. Some people have no idea. Essay writing class, digital marketing service, nutrition and health and fitness webinar. See, again, the problem is that the most of the things that I am seeing here, you are not being specific enough. You need to be a little bit more specific about a particular need, because needs are always specific. Topics are not specific enough. I see ethics of offline maintenance, nutritional supplements. Again, nutritional supplements is too wide. Yoga is too wide. Painting is too wide. All right. So now, okay. All right. Stop, guys. Now that we have an idea about what kind of product that you want to create, but one problem that I see in everybody saying that what kind of product that I want to create is that I see that a lot of people are trying to be too broad. You don't have it specific enough. So to try to help you understand how to be specific enough, let me go ahead and put some examples here, and the examples can come from you. All right. So forget about your role as an information product creator for a second, and think about what is the one problem you have right now which you think that somebody else might be able to help you. So if everybody tells their problem, be very specific, and try to come up with a very specific problem which you would want someone to help you with. Don't give very broad answers like money. I mean, like everybody wants money. Don't say corona. Nobody has a solution to it. Try to understand what someone can help you with in a very specific way. Try to be as specific as possible. And when I say specific, just think about, will you pay 97 rupees or 499 rupees or 1000 rupees for this problem to be solved? What will be that problem? Don't try to go too broad. What is worth paying 500 rupees or 1000 rupees for? And what is the problem that can be solved? Try to be very specific because you need specific help, right? Uh, Nikhil Agarwal is saying Shadi ki side effects. Can't help you, guy, bro. All right, so I will try to go ahead and try to get some very specific answers and put it in the example here, so that imagine what you will be paying 500 rupees for a specific problem to be solved for you. Don't try to be broad. If you say financial stability, that's too broad. All right, let's look at some of the answers. As specific as possible, as specific as possible. Like you are getting on a call with someone, let's say, and he's going to help you. And what are you going to pay? Like you are going to pay 500 rupees for consulting, and he's going to just solve one problem. So let me go ahead and pick out some of the specifics here. All right, so mutual investments for students, mutual fund investments for students. What to do after 12th? Career guidance. How to trade in commodities in the Indian market. Even I want to know that. How to use functions in MS Excel. Very specific. It's not like a Excel course, but very specific. How to use functions. A lot of things are very broad. English speaking and writing. No, for English speaking and writing, you will not pay someone 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or 99 rupees. How to create memes. Good one. Weight loss in 30 days. Still broad. JEE coaching. Good one, specific one. Jigna Patel wants a girl for marriage. Sorry. Yeah, maybe it's not a bad niche. People still want to know. Like, maybe give an ebook with list of matrimony sites or something. Coping post-COVID. How to file personal income tax. How to get first client as a freelancer. Which can be a micro product, right? Freelancing mastery could involve a lot of things, but it is just about how to find the first clients. Lose weight with yoga asanas. Back pain. How to get first 1000 subscribers for YouTube. Very specific, very much needed. Somebody would definitely pay for it. How to withdraw PF. Even I want to know. I have some money locked in the PF. So you are talking about your need. That gives other people an idea about what are the needs available in the market. How to improve sleep quality. You can talk about tips. Small video, set of videos about that. Tutorial on Canva, how to use Canva. How to use Canva could be a good niche. Cooking specific dishes, how to avoid breakups, how to unlock your brain, how to make organic soap. Looks like an interesting niche. Anyway, so now you got the idea. Let's we can keep going on and on and on, but instead of that, let's probably go ahead. So now you got the idea, right? Now you got the idea how specific you have to be when it comes to understanding what is the need. So what I would like to do is that go ahead and put this very specific need that you have, that you will be ready to pay 99 rupees or 199 rupees for, and somebody else will develop that information product, and hopefully you will be able to buy it if you think it is interesting. Even if you don't want to buy it, at least it gives an idea for other people on how to come up with an information product for a very specific need, right? Like for example, Manish Agarwal is saying how to do haircut at home. Definitely there is a need. I think definitely in this lockdown people will be ready to pay for it. So what is your very specific need for which you will be ready to pay 500 to 1000 rupees for? Uh, Very specific knowledge need. So now that I have put some options, first I put that options here to show you how specific you have to be. You saw that how the options were in the mind map. Now go ahead and put it on the group so that everybody can refer to it later. So anybody who wants to develop an information product, you have all the ideas right here available, right? So let me just close the chat for a while here. And what you can do is that you can go ahead and put your answer here. I've shared the link, copy paste, and come on, don't put very generic thing. Communication skill is very generic. I just gave you examples of how specific you have to be. I'm just going to remove all the things which are very broad. Something like how to get haircut at home, how to get GST without going to income tax office. Go ahead and put your need, guys. Go ahead and put your need so that others can get an idea. Pooja Yadav, recipe videos is very broad. Don't say recipe videos. Go ahead and say what is it that you want to learn. What is the recipe that you want? Go ahead and put that. That would be much better. Try to be as specific as possible, because people are going to pay for specificity. People are not going to pay for generic things. How to grow your school's online presence. Copyright rules in case of content creation. Go ahead and put your need so that others can get an idea on what need that they can tap into. Technical workshop for WordPress bloggers. Good. How to make donuts. Fantastic. That's a very specific need. YouTube SEO, I would still say that it's very broad. How to solve Rubik's Cube. Fantastic. High converting landing page in an hour. Fantastic. How to speak in front of camera. Good. Food photography. Good. How to find a job in Singapore. Good. Abroad study after COVID-19. Very good. Parents and children relationship in India. Very good. Very important. Recipes for bachelors. Fantastic. Bachelor people who are sitting and trying to make their own food. How to file personal income tax for new employees. Good. How to speak Japanese in just 3 days. Is it possible? I don't know. If it is available, then amazing. How to get your first 100 leads using Facebook ads. Coping post COVID-19. How to stop hair loss. How to play chess to improve concentration. How to make compost garden from home kitchen waste. I like that. I would want that. First 10,000 followers on Instagram. Very specific, very good. So now I think that this is good to go. How to be happy in marriage is still very broad. I would try to make it more specific, uh, because that's very broad. What else can we do? How to solve back pain in 5 minutes? Yes, a lot of people want to know that. Overcome depression, I still feel it's a little bit broad. How to design your living room, how to understand children's Jane food recipes, how to create landing page, how online tutoring. Anyway, now I think you guys got an idea about how specific that you can go with a particular need. Now, does this give you confidence? Like, a lot of people keep wondering, hey, what is that I have to talk about? What is the information product that I can create? Does this exercise give you an idea that there are so many specific needs in the market, and you will be able to go and create an information product to solve this particular need? And here you can see that people are saying that they are ready to pay 500 to 1000 rupees for something like this, and you just need to find 100 customers to make 1 lakh if you are selling for 999. If you are selling for 499, then you just need to go ahead and um, sell 200 units. So I've just opened up chat for everyone. So go ahead and put it in the chat box. If you are confident, just type confident in the chat box. If you think that you are confident that you will be able to create an information product and generate at least one sale. Until now, you might not have had that confidence, right? So don't put private, put it for everyone so that everyone can see. All right. So was this a aha moment for you to understand? Because this whole niche thing is like very confusing. Hey, what do I create? You are always like health, wealth, relationships. It's so broad. And each and every section may, what will happen is that you will go ahead and have a very specific need. Now, this is the most important part of it, right? So now, do you want to do this exercise a little bit more, try to do health, wealth, and relationships specifically? Do you want to type yes in the chat box, or do you want to move on to the next stage, or do you want to go a little bit deep within the niche so that you can get an idea? Because everybody gets an idea, right? Fantastic. So everybody is saying yes. So what I will do is that I will just create another post, and this time I'm going to divide it based on health, wealth, and relationships. So if I say that, hey, go ahead and put your very specific need when it comes to wealth, very, very narrow. Wealth can be career, it can be business, it can be savings, it can be personal finance. When it comes to health, it can be cure, it can be fitness, it can be anything. When it comes to relationships, it could be dating, how to solve a very specific problem in the marriage. A lot of people were like, how do I handle relationships? How do I handle my relationship with my wife? But you could go a little bit more deeper, right? Your question could be, hey, what do I do if my wife is not talking to me for 3 days? That could be like a very specific question that you could try to answer. What can I do if my wife is not picking up my phone and she has gone to her mother's place? So all these problems are like very specific problems for which people would be ready to pay for, to understand based on your own experience. So let's go and try this exercise once more. What is your very specific problem when it comes to health? Or let's start with wealth first, and go ahead and comment there with a very, very specific problem. Now you kind of got an idea about how specific you can go. Go ahead and come up with a need in your own life so that others can get an idea. And maybe within the internship group itself, somebody will create an ebook for you to go ahead and get that specific problem solved. So let me just share the link here on the chat box. I will just switch off chat for a while so that you can go ahead and post it. Very specific, very sharp, so that somebody else can get an idea about creating an information product with that. And just put the answers there and give me a moment while Aman Verma, passive income sources, little bit too vague. Try to be more specific. How can I create passive income through affiliate marketing within 30 days? Something like that. Maintaining consistent wealth, again, no, we are talking about health, Nirlesh. We are talking about, I mean, wealth, not health. I will create a separate thread for health. I will create a separate thread for relationships. So I will just go ahead and delete all the ones which are very generic. Passive income sources, I want you to be more specific. Siddharth Jaiswal, how to manage my mutual fund, when to sell, when to buy. Your need is very specific. Good. How to start a small manufacturing unit. You could be even more specific. How to start a small textile manufacturing unit. How to generate recurring income for life, still broad. First income in college. How about how to generate first income in college by blogging? Passive income through Forex market. Monetize your personal brand. How to monetize your personal brand through consulting. How to monetize your personal brand through ebooks. How to monetize your personal brand through speaking. Be more specific. All right, guys, give me just one moment while I grab a cup of water. All right, now we have got enough ideas. Let's go ahead and quickly do one more thread on health. What is your very specific problem when it comes to health? So this is for you guys. The more you put, the more everybody benefits. So let me share the perma link. And just we will do one more where we will talk about how to, what is your very specific problem when it comes to relationships, and then we will get going to the next session. How to take care of your eyes, very much needed. Even I need to take care of my eyes. Too much screen time during the lockdown. It could be even like how to take care of your eyes. I think that's broad, specific enough. Yeah. A lot that you can write. Exercises during work. Exercise for diabetic patient. It could be more specific. Exercise for diabetic patient above the age of 30 or above the age of 40 or something like that. Knee problem while driving, preventing diabetes using home remedies, train muscles so that they work even when you are sleeping. That looks very interesting. I don't know how that can be achieved. How to keep your stomach clean, how to increase immunity. Amazing, guys. Think like, I am only getting so many ideas for creating information products. All right, so keep doing that while I will just create one more thread. now that you got an idea about how specific we can go based on the feedback I have given, try to become very, very specific. And especially in this, try to keep it clean a little bit. Um, let's not get into uncomfortable topics that other people might feel uncomfortable. Just keep it a little bit clean. I'm not saying that certain topics are not allowed, but try to put it in a politically correct way. Again, Nikhil Agarwal, try to be more specific. Anupka and Dutta, I think that's a good idea. Give me one moment. Akshay Rana, that seems to be a good problem to have. How to keep your girlfriend happy during lockdown? Easy. It's 2 hours a day. How to know if she is the one? Interesting. How to convince Indian parents not to force their girls for arranged marriage? Looks like very interesting. How to handle over possessive lover? How to be very empathetic without being loud? How important is to give time to your parents and relationships? How to be in a relationship first? Excellent question. We are getting some funny answers here. I think I can answer a lot of questions in this particular niche. I should only create an information product. All right, so we have Vaibhav in the house. Hey Vaibhav, how are you doing?
What's up, guys?
Nice to have you here, Vaibhav. So, guys, how many of you know Vaibhav here? Wait, I will open the chat for everyone. Yeah, how many of you know Vaibhav here? All right, I see a lot of people saying me. So I think pretty much everybody knows about Vaibhav. So Vaibhav, today's internship class is about teaching people how to create an information product. And
Oh, nice.
I've been doing a very, so guys, Vaibhav is one of the best online marketers that I have come across, Growth Hacker. And he has been selling his LinkedIn course. I think a lot of people might be already part of his courses as well. So Vaibhav, what we have been doing is that we have given an exercise that they have to come up with an information product for the first time, and it could be a product which is at least 97 rupees. It can go up to 999 rupees.
Okay.
And the exercise that we did was that when people want to select a niche, it's very difficult for them to select a niche, right? And people wonder what is that people have as a need that I can solve. So what we did was that we kind of came up with 3 different major niches, which is health, wealth, and relationships. And everybody goes ahead and posts their specific need within that niche so that others can get an idea. Okay, this seems to be a niche. maybe I can solve it, and they get an idea to create an information product out of it. So here we can see that we are asking about relationships. We are asking about health. What is the very specific problem you have about health? And we have some very interesting answers, very specific, and very specific one in relationships and things like that. So I want you to share in the next 5-10 minutes, share a little bit of thoughts about how big the Indian market is when it comes to information product selling, and what has been your experience, because you have not been selling to the Indian market for a very long time, and you have started only in probably like a month or maximum 2 months.
33 days.
33 days. And how much revenue have you made in 33 days, Vaibhav?
Not comfortable sharing. Sorry.
But you know that how many students have you enrolled?
I might have. So first batch was 250 people, which was a test group. Second batch was 750. Third batch was 750. Batch 4 is happening right now, which is 750. Okay. Batch 5, we have already sold 650. Fantastic. And it will start Monday. Okay. So it's going to be 750 also. So I'm capping at 750. I'm not crossing the threshold 750 because I think once I cross it, it's going to be harder to manage. But the beauty is it's in the process. So I'm automating a lot of stuff.
And you have a very specific information product, right? Only LinkedIn. You're just being a LinkedIn expert, and you are teaching people how to go ahead and optimize their LinkedIn profile, generate sales via LinkedIn. So what do you think about the opportunity in the Indian market for information products, and what would be your advice for other people who are trying to get into this, trying to become an online trainer? Because a lot of people keep telling me that, hey, I think the market is too crowded. I think I don't have an opportunity. But right now with the niche selection process, we have proven that there are so many micro niches still untapped. And if you develop a product for as low as 99 rupees, and if you can just find 100 customers per month, it's already 1 lakh a month in income, right? So some thoughts about it before we go on to the next section.
Sure. So it's funny that you asked me this question, because Deepak was the person who convinced me to launch for India. I give him full credit to that, because when I met him, I was only selling it to the international market, and my course was 1 lakh rupees, which is $1,300. Right, and still sells for $1,300. But obviously, it's not a game of masses. I don't sell hundreds of them a month, but I was making good money. So last year, I made about 50 lakhs selling just to the international market. No ads, all organic. Right, I used to love it because no efforts whatsoever being put. But when I met Deepak at FFX, this guy basically brainwashed me, saying that, dude, what the fuck are you doing? I'm sorry, this is allowed, right?
Guys, is it allowed? Please put it in the chat box.
Because anyway, so he was like, what the hell are you doing? You have such a strong product. And I mean, again, right, not one of those fake gurus. So you should launch and educate people. And that's when he basically convinced me to launch. And boy, am I shocked. Like, it is insane, right? Like I told you, like, it's not even funny, because when I launched it, right, my cost per acquisition for a 500 rupee product, which was my workshop, for people who don't know, I start my lead magnet, basically. My hook is basically a 5-day workshop, which is basically insane amount of value for 500 rupees that I provide. And 60% of people don't need more than that. So I'm not here to make money. That's my way of thinking. I'm here to educate people, and I'll educate only those set of people, and only that much basis of what they know. Right. So when I launched this product, day 1, I set up the ads at 3 in the night, slept. My target was, if I can hit, I started on Tuesday. Next Monday, I wanted to start my first batch to test out. My target was having 100 people, and I would be extremely happy. And my low end target was 50 people. Okay. Because I wanted to test. I know my eventual target was 100, 150 people in 1.5 months, 2 months time. Slowly, I wanted to scale it to 150 people. Okay. I slept at 3 in the night. Got up at around 11:30. I already got 40 sales. I was like, what the hell? Like, am I dreaming or what? Like, this happens, right? When you work all night, sleep, and you only think about that subconsciously. And when you wake up, and you think that you're in a dream when you wake up and see results. 40, the money is not mind-boggling if you think about it. It's just 20,000 rupees. Right? I charge 15,000 rupees for a 1-hour call. The money is not crazy. It's about 40 conversions happening overnight at 13 rupees. Deepak, you remember I sent you the screenshot in the morning.
Yes.
At 1-3. That's obviously because I retargeted the customer, retargeted the people who was coming, and it was not cold. But that's when I realized that this market is massive, man. And even now, after acquiring about 3,000 odd people, I spend basically about 90 to 100 rupees to acquire one 500 rupee customer. And my average LTV per customer is 2,400 rupees. So the ROAS is 24x right now. That is, I invest 100 rupees, and for every 100 rupees I spend, I make 2,250 or 2,003, something like that. Right? Don't exactly know the numbers. I keep experimenting. So the market is massive. Yeah, and
not trainers are there, but a lot of learners are there. And again, the third assignment for the internship batch 2 was to create a sales copy. And guys, you can see here that Vaibhav has created his own sales copy, basically talked about what is a LinkedIn workshop, has the testimonials, the basic stuff, social proof, add some sense of urgency, create a course outline. And this is just 499 rupees. And he has put a payment link, put some credibility, personal brand credibility here, frequently asked questions. And this has been just built on WordPress. And if Vaibhav can spend 99 rupees, you guys know how to do the Facebook ads as well. And Vaibhav is basically spending 99 rupees, and for every 500 rupees sale, it should be pretty easy for you to create a landing page, go ahead and create an information product, do the interest targeting on Facebook. Like for example, relationships, there are a lot of people where relationships, there are a lot of ideas. So pick out a product, go ahead and say that, okay, girlfriend problems, things like that usually should be for people below 30. After 30, they are having wife problems. So, so that way, target the right customers. And what if you even spend 1,000 rupees in ads, but only make 500 rupees? It is still some learning, right? You are seeing some sales come in, and then within your mind, you are like, okay, if I spend 1,000 and a 500 rupees is coming, worst case, that is, most probably you will spend less than what you are making. At least it will break even if you are done the proper thing with basic Facebook ads and landing page. But let's say even if you spend 1,000 and get 500 rupees, you are still like, okay, now I can optimize this and probably start making a profit out of it. And as we have seen in the internship program with every assignment, until you do it for the first time, you are having very less confidence towards it. But as Vaibhav said, he set up the ads, next day morning, he saw 40 sales. Now he is at 3,000 customers in a span of 33 days, that too. So everybody has access to this.
I would like to add a point. One is a couple of things, right? One is when I started with this mindset saying, you know what, I'm willing to spend a couple of lakhs. That was my budget. It doesn't have to be your budget. So you have to start with this mindset that I'm okay to lose 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees and run ads. See, I don't expect, I'm very sure not everybody will get the results that I got, because I will be frank, I have very good credibility in the space of LinkedIn and in the space of growth hacking, right? Credibility is very important. Two is I had a ton of audience. Like I had about 60,000 people that come to my website in the last 2 years, and I was retargeting them. When you're hitting up a cold audience, it's not going to be cheap to start with. So what I would say is, when you're starting to run ads, every day you can't be looking at your ads and be like, oh shit, this is like so expensive, I can't make money out of this, it's not going to work, right? If you are in with that mindset, you can never scale. So be okay with losing that money. If you really want to launch any product, not just info product, be okay with losing the money. Like have a target saying, okay, ye 10,000 rupees mera nahi hai. This 10,000 rupees is not mine. And put that money, wait for that 10,000 rupee money to get burnt and see what is coming out of it. That is one. Two is, look for a bigger picture. I'm acquiring 100 rupees per customer for a 500 rupee product, but my LTV is 2,400 rupees. That means going forward, I can acquire a 500 rupee customer also for 1,000 rupees, because even then I'm going to make 1,400 rupees off a customer. You see what I mean? So have that bigger picture in your mind. Don't be scared, but please, this is one request. Don't be a fake guru. Okay, don't be a fake coach. Don't spoil the market. Only sell something if you're good at it, if you're really proud of it, or else don't sell it. Please, that's one request from my end, because I've seen so many fake gurus who don't even know how to run Facebook ads, selling Facebook ads by looking at a Udemy course tutorial and just replicating it and selling it for 99, 199, 299, 399. If you are breaking up, if you are struggling to manage your girlfriend right now and you're talking about being a relationship guru, that makes you fake, right? So just don't do that. Don't be that person. You cannot live with yourself.
Forget struggling with girlfriend. People won't even have a girlfriend, and then they will write a book about it.
So if Deepak comes up with a course saying how to keep your wife happy, that will make Deepak a fake guru.
All right. I hope you got some value out of this. Just type value in the chat box if you got value out of inviting Vaibhav for this. Yes, value, amazing. So anyway, thanks a lot, Vaibhav, for sharing that. And I would like to continue with some of the things that I want to tell people.
Can I be off?
Yeah, you can sign off if you want.
All right. Thanks, guys. See you. Bye. Thanks for having me, Deepak. I just dropped you a text and you're like, oh, come in. See you. See you guys. Bye.
Bye. So yeah, just give me one moment. So yeah, so in terms of techniques, I think there is a lot of techniques that you can follow, and there is probably not much problem with understanding the techniques. Basically, especially when you are getting started, right? It's just simple. Just create an ebook, just create a bunch of videos. You don't even need a learning management system. Just put it on InstaMojo, create the payment link, get the payment done, and deliver it. What we need here is the mindset, right? And in certain cases, I have not even created a sales page. I just promoted the InstaMojo link directly, and the sales started coming in. And hopefully by next month, we will be having a very lightweight LMS for you guys, where you can host your video courses inside the LMS, accept payments via InstaMojo and Razorpay, and give people login like a dashboard and things like that, which I will be bringing it for you. But until then, the idea is that you go ahead and create an information product and go ahead and sell it. So I would like to share, see, I basically started with a very, very small, experiment of trying to sell one course. I have been blogging for a while. I had good blog traffic, but the idea is that instead of trying to sell the course directly, I first gave a free course. A lot of people here might have logged in, came into my funnel through this. It is still the same landing page that I've been using for past 4 years, and the traffic keeps coming in. I need to update the free lead magnet also, but right now business is running, jo chal raha hai, chalta hai, and the leads keep coming in. And slowly what I started doing is that initially I was generating some 10 leads a day, 20 leads a day. And then I started putting them on a drip sequence, and the drip sequence, right? So drip marketing sequence. So this is like more of a sophisticated system. And what I'm sharing here is that, see, whatever I did, it's not like a super intelligent thing that I did. I just followed a simple system and I kept doing it over and over again. So basic idea is that, marketing automation now. So basically you are getting people into getting people into the funnel. And once they are into the funnel, let's say, for example, free resources by Digital Deepak. Let's look at free resources by Digital Deepak. And you can see this is the drip sequence. Basically, I have put one email every 4 days. I am still building it. This is a brand new drip sequence. And you can go ahead and look at the reports, right? So basically, you are creating a sequence, and then you can see 52%, 24%, 18%, 16%. And I know a lot of people are having difficulty using ConvertKit and different platforms. When I am bringing my own learning management system, I am also going to put an internal emailing system also into the plan, where you will be able to create a drip sequence inside the system. Go ahead and put it out there, as a free course. Then have the messaging system, and then sell a paid course. So that's what That's what drip sequence means. So you're basically nurturing, and then you are going ahead and driving traffic to this using Facebook ads. So let me go ahead and show my Facebook ads account. So basically what happened was that I was very afraid of spending money on Facebook ads, and I put $50 $5 budget per day. But apparently I made a mistake. It became $50. Earlier I had put some $5 a few times, and the cost per lead was very high, because Facebook, when they start generating leads for you and start generating traffic for you, the cost will be high. But then it kind of starts going down, because you are driving more traffic, right? So if you look at all time, what happened was that when I started, one day I just put $50 instead of $5, and the next day I woke up and saw that the lead cost has come down from 30 cents to 5 cents. And then I got excited, and then I started generating more leads. You can see that the total amount of money spent, I have spent $92,585, right? And now I'm going to touch almost $100,000, and I'm able to spend this because okay, some guys are saying that I have not received the book, Edge of Sanity book. Right now I can only give you the PDF version. I have sent it to 200 people, but for rest of the people, I have I need more time until the lockdown is done. We will not be able to send it right now because nobody is there in the office. So guys, please wait. You will definitely receive it. It is already signed. It is ready. In fact, your address has also been put there, so you will get it. Anyway, getting back to this, I have been able to spend this much because I have been continuously making money from my information products, right? And I have used Teachable learning management system. So learning management system may you will be able to go ahead and host your product. So right now this is Teachable that I am using, and then I will also show you how the landing page looks. So landing page is something that you have already created before. So in a landing page like this, you showcase all your products and the sales starts getting generated. So this is how the funnel works. So basically you start with a simple funnel where you have a small ebook or a video or something which is for 97 rupees, 497 or 997. Start generating some sales, and then what you can do, once you understood that there is a particular need in the market, and once you are starting to make sales, you can basically expand the funnel. So when I say expand the funnel, you say that, okay, I'm going to give you a free product, and then you go ahead and say that, hey, I'm going to sell you something for 99 rupees or 499 rupees, and then you are going ahead and selling them something which is like 2000 rupees, which is like a bigger product, then something for 5000, then something for 10,000, then something for 50,000 also, if you want to eventually take it out there, right? So what happens is that you are basically moving the free line. You are taking people from a basic small engagement and to higher engagement. So that's why we call it the funnel. You will have, let's say, 10,000 visitors on the top, and then you will have probably 1,000 people who opted in, and out of 1,000 people, some 100 people will buy your 99 rupees product. Out of 100 people, 10 people will buy your 5,000 rupee product. Out of 10 people, one person might buy your 10,000 rupee product. So unless you have a funnel like this, you will never be able to make money. Most of the people have a funnel. Even very big businesses have a funnel, right? They say that if you go to McDonald's, um, the burger is hardly profit making for them, but they are also upselling you. They are upselling, hey, do you want Pepsi, do you want fries, do you want a meal? And when they sell a meal, the Pepsi and the fries hardly cost anything for them, but they are charging like almost the double, right? So that's how you are going to build the funnel. But obviously before you trying to build an elaborate funnel, you don't know what your users are doing. You don't know what is the need for your users. So first, go ahead, identify a niche, start creating a community around it, and then go ahead and sell a very small information product for the first time ever to them. And then slowly what happens is that you will start gaining confidence and you start expanding the funnel. Just like that, when I started, I just put my course on YouTube unlisted video. I did not have anything. I did not have a learning management system, which was very, very bare bones. No automation, no welcome mail, nothing. I just collected some payments, gave it. That you need to get it going. So is there anyone here who has who is already in the business of selling information products, and do you sell courses? Let me know in the chat box. Who is already selling some course or something? And how much money are you making with it? Go ahead and let me know. You should be making at least some money, right? You should be making at least some money. If you already have a product and if you are making some money, you let me know, and I would. So Hemant Vyas made 30,000 rupees last month selling information products. So I would like to unmute Hemant Vyas, and I would like to hear his opinion. Hemant, if you are comfortable, you can share your thoughts with us.
Yeah, Deepak, thank you so much for giving me a chance. Last month in lockdown, basically I'm from Jaipur and I have a digital marketing agency by name Polysol Infotech. In last month, I started teaching SEO. First of all, I started blogging workshop for free. I enrolled around 70 people. I teach them. Then I pitch SEO blogging like SEO workshop, and
How
I
do you do
charge
the
around
pitch? Is it via
450.
webinars?
Yeah, I do Zoom webinar. I created a landing page as well,
Mm.
and let me share with this.
Okay. I think I should enable screen sharing for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and share your screen.
Yes, sir. So this is my landing page.
Okay. Looks pretty good. So when did you get this started? When was the first time you sold an information product?
I started last month, sir.
Last month, and you
Yeah.
have made 30,000 already. Guys,
Yes,
so
sir.
a lot of people here are like, okay, Deepak is in the industry for 7 years, he can do it, I cannot do it. But right now here in this internship group, we have someone who started last month, put efforts in creating an information product, an amazing sales page, already made 30,000, which means that if he has made 30,000 last month, you will probably start making something like 3 lakhs a month within a year, right? So just put wow in the chat box if you guys think this is awesome. So what better way to tell you that there is a huge opportunity here, apart from, I can say, hey, I made 5 crores, but here we have a student within the internship program making this. So Hemant, I am pretty sure that a lot of people are going to ping you within the group, trying to get advice from you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Mm. Fantastic. So yeah, tell me more. Sorry to interrupt.
Yes, sir. So basically, now I am doing like next time I will be charged 999 rupees for this workshop, and I am doing right now. All these are live classes. So like initially, log trust nahi karte. That's why I am doing live classes, and slowly I will record classes and do automation like the way you teach me.
Mm. So right now, what a learning management system are you using?
It's live classes are basically
So there is
Zoom
no recorded
webinar.
ones. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. Fantastic, amazing. So anyone else who wants to share their experience in selling information products?
Someone is asking like in which platform from you created this landing page. This is Elementor. I created with Elementor only.
Okay, fantastic. So anyone else who wants to share their experience in selling information products? I will put you live and you could share it. Taleha, are you there? A lot of people are suggesting your name. We need a confirmation from Taleha Khan, but let's see who else. Asmita, anyone? Okay, I think a lot of names are being suggested, but I need. Okay, Asmita is there, so I will put Asmita online. Asmita, you are unmuted. Good to go.
Yeah. Hi, I don't have a landing page, neither do I have something, but I do attract people through my Instagram.
Okay.
And that is how I specifically teach ladies who are above 45. So I do kind of Zoom call, like one call a week, so 4 calls a month. And right now I'm charging them 10K so per month because it's starting. So which I want to increase from next month. But I already crossed like 50K with this, and there are a lot of people waiting for me like to enroll, and I'm not finding time for one-on-ones.
Okay.
I want to change it. Like I want to change the format to small batch of 5 or 10 people. That is what I'm working now.
Okay, and you want to maybe do recorded classes or something?
Yeah, actually, because that day when you sent that email survey for LMS, I was so happy to fill it because Teachable is costly.
Yes, yes. So we are planning to build a lightweight LMS. So what do you teach? And you got the specific market right? You are like targeting a narrow market, like women.
I do teach like, only Facebook and Instagram for women who are like 40 plus. Because they are little slow and they cannot cope up with normal classes. So they are my audience, and these are the women who have already purchased a lot of courses, but they need a mentor. So I do help them as a mentor. So on one-on-one call.
So far, how much have you made?
Like last month, 50K I made through this process.
Just
and now many people are waiting in, but I am not able to give them time because I have other clients also.
Yes, yes. So guys, do you think this is amazing? Just type wow in the chat box if you think amazing. All right, fantastic. So I think by now you will be confident. So thanks, Asmita. I will put you on mute again. So guys, I think by now you are feeling confident that there is a huge opportunity with information products. My next internship program is going to be about how to create an online course, and that will be like automatically a recorded session. It will have like maybe 10-15 sessions, 10-15 videos. You have to identify niche, you have to set up your payment link, set up ads, set up landing page, and keep getting obviously all the money back again. So I hope you are excited about it. I will probably take a few weeks for that to be launched. But anyway, I would want to leave you end of internship batch 2. I would want to leave you saying that go ahead and create an information product. We have examples here in terms of techniques, and whatever it is, you already know the basics. You don't need all the complex systems yet. You just need to create your first sale, right? I think most of you here are yet to create your first sale. So just type FS in the chat box if you are ready to create your first sale in this assignment, right? Once you create the first sale and once the first payment comes in, then you will be like, oh wow, this is working. I think I can scale this up. That feeling will start coming in, and then you will be unstoppable, right? So that is what we have to focus on. And that's the assignment for this particular week. And again, last class. So we'll set up the DD Army, and then we will have more sessions like this. And we'll probably have like an online graduation program where we will issue certificates as soon as you guys have completed all the assignments. Plus, you will also get a hefty payout for completing this assignment. And if there is anything else you want to share, you can share, and then we will end the session. Last day for the assignment. Kamna, what is the last day for the assignment?
29th May.
All right. So we are giving a little bit more extra time for this particular assignment because you have to go ahead and create an information product and also sell it. And we will also send this recording. We will also have a Q&A session in the middle. And in the meantime, so all the best. Being the last class, don't worry if there is going to be not any classes anymore. For this batch, I will have one more live session. Any thoughts to be shared? I can put a few people live. Just raise your hand. In fact, instead of putting in the chat box, just raise your hand in the video, and I will put you unmute you, and you can share your thoughts about experience with the internship program, or whatever is there in your mind of this batch ending?
I think some people couldn't hear. It's 29th May and we'll
Yeah.
be having past 100 for this. for
Yeah,
both.
it'll be like first 100. So,
Yeah.
so anyone wants to share anything before we put an end to today's class? Just or just put it in the chat box. There are like 4, 5. All right, I saw Divya Kotari. I will unmute you. Divya, you are ready to. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. And I think this comes from a person who was an introvert for a large part of my life. I never really had so many friends, and I was always ridiculed. And there's so many things that happened in school in my growing up years. But coming to this group, and especially the WhatsApp group, I mean, I mean that's where the whole DDRme has come from. I'm sure you're aware of that. So I think that has allowed me to open up. And I mean, as you can see, these books were my friends for a large part of my life. That's how I've grown up. But going out there in the world, making videos, like since I think when I came first in the second assignment, what gave me the strength to put up a video was the camaraderie that everybody has here. And I'm really, really happy that I was part of this. Especially I mean, I cannot speak enough of the camaraderie here. I mean, this is just mind blowing in the support and everything. And everybody feels treasured here. So, I mean, I'm lost of words right now with what I feel about this group. I think if anybody feels that, they're not getting the opportunity, they're not getting appreciated, or their questions are not being answered, I don't think that is true. They have not tried to engage. In fact, there's one thing that I do that most people don't do is I actively message people. I pick people out from the comments and I message people on a daily basis. I get in touch with at least 10 people. I mean, randomly. And people know me because I get in touch with people. People won't come to you. You have to go to people. And this is something that I experiment, I learned, and it's all because of the camaraderie. So thank you so much, sir. And thank you everybody who is here for being a part of this group. And thank you for letting me open up. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Anyone else wants to share? Just put it in the chat box. And I want you to keep your video on if you want to share. So let's try Vishwant. Yeah. Vishwant, you are good to go.
Hi, Deepak.
Hey.
Is my voice audible?
Yes.
Yeah, thanks, Deepak. Actually, you made me to do the Facebook ads. You forced me to. Actually, I have running the Facebook ads right now.
Okay.
At the cost of 1 rupee per lead.
Okay.
Yeah, I am planning for a webinar on Monday. For my mother, I am doing the product. And the information product is also ready. I have created only the one product for around a 5-day course. And I'm doing a webinar on Monday.
Okay.
So far in the list, around 500 people have joined outfit for that. I think I'm somewhat confused in the speaking in the web. The first time it was.
But yeah, anyway, you will rock, I'm pretty sure.
This is what just I want to share. But I'm so happy that I never expected Vedas will give me such a response. If you want to know, I will share that screen as well. The lead screen. Can you share that?
Yeah, you can share.
This is the screen. Yeah, you can see here, right? So for 462 leads has been generated. And all these are for only a webinar. I'm expecting at least 10% will be converted. Let's see what happens on Monday.
Okay, let's see.
So thankful for you because of you only I completely did this Facebook ads. I don't do Facebook ads and Google ads. Okay. Thank you, Kamna. Actually, I watched 2 times, 3 times your videos to complete that. I think Shreyas is missing here.
I think Shreyas is not here today.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you to 3 of you and the community. Thank you very much. That's it.
Fantastic. Amazing. Anyway, guys, it's okay. Puneet, I'll just put 1 or 2 more, then we will wind up for today. Puneet, you are good to go.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have only one message for all of you. That's thank you. And only one thing I want to say to all. Firstly, Deepak sir, thank you so much for getting this internship. Only you know how this internship means for me. And thank you, Kamna Chan, for being such a good mentor to me and personally helping me a lot in my personal issues as well. And thank you, some of my friends I want to thank in front of everyone here, like Divya Kotari, who was the first mentor in this internship group, who trained me how to conduct a webinar. He was my first teacher after you guys. And there were some of more of my friends here, like Ananya and Manjusha and Tareha. Sir, you have created one internship course, and in this course, I have learned 4 more courses from 4 more people free. So this is a community where I'm learning so much. Obviously, there is a learning intuitions in me, but people are teaching you from heart, and they really want to help you. So this community is magic to me, and this internship is a magical journey for me. And I won't say it is ending here; it's just the beginning. There is no end in life, and this is just a new beginning. So thank you so much, sir. I love you.
Amazing. Fantastic. Yes,
Hello.
Deepna Patel. Yes, you can go next.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Can I audible? I'm Jigna Pipalia from Rajkot, Gujarat. I'm not so much connected with the IT or digital field, but before 2 years ago, I connect with the link Learn Digital Marketing and get the 25 free courses. And when I learn all the courses videos, I started my own digital agency in my city. And now from last 2 years, I am earning too much with the localites, good clients from over here. So I am very much thankful to the Deepak sir who teaches me a lot. I wanted to give very thankful to him. In this community we get from this internship batch too, Divya, in Taleha, in Puneet, in Ankush. We are daily meeting on the webinars on the Zoom, and we are also connected with each other with the works also. So thanks a lot for this community given by Deepak sir, and thanks a lot for the Kamna Jain. She is always replying me in my personal, Madam, ye karo, wo karo. So very much thankful to sir and his team, and very much thankful to the community. Thank you very much again.
Fantastic. Amazing. So this will keep going on. I think we will probably have more opportunities for people to open up in the next webinar. So I want to take a group photo, and everybody, you can show a sign, you can show a thumbs up or something like that on the video, and I will just take a photo. Do it for a few more seconds. I need to do it for all the pages. Okay, page 1 done. Give me a moment. All right, page 2 done. Give me a moment. Page 3 done. All right. Okay, page 4 done. Guys, switch on your video if you're comfortable with it. All right, page 5 done. I think a lot of faces will get recognized when we post it on Facebook. So page 6 done. Page 7 done. More moment. Page 8. All right, from page 9, we don't have people switched on video. So I will go ahead and post these pictures right now, and you will be able to see the group photo. I think this was an excellent idea to do a Zoom meeting instead of a webinar. We are able to see everyone, and special thanks to Kamna Jain for suggesting that. So I'm putting it on the Facebook group, the internship Facebook group, the group photo.
Meanwhile, I want to say that I think it's been like a very nice journey. I think, as much fun as you guys have had and found it to be beautiful and nice. Trust me, Shreyas, Krishna, all 3 of us and entire team, like Harleen ma'am at the back end, and when she's reviewing assignments, I think all of us have really enjoyed this journey. Like batch 1 was the first time, this was the second time. Even we tried to, like getting everything in place, and as we could see things actually turning out, you guys, I don't know, like just going out there, executing, getting results. I think that is what also gave us a lot of satisfaction, like really. So yeah, thanks a lot for being so wonderful, energetic, and supportive. Of course, there were times where, you know, things were here and there, but that's when we saw a lot of support from you guys. So thanks a lot for being so awesome.
All right. So I will go ahead and post it on the Learn Digital Marketing group as well. And I will share the link with you guys. So I'm tagging a bunch of people here. Not sure if everything is right, but I hope it has tracked properly. Anyway, group photo of batch 2 internship program. All right, let me just go ahead and share it here. And go ahead and leave some comment on what you think has been your experience. So whatever you put it on chat, it'll get buried. So this is the last class. So I'll share this link and go ahead and put it on the Learn Digital Marketing group itself. Let me share the link. All right, share the link with you guys and go ahead and put the comments here, and we will create the alumni network. We will be having further webinars, more connections. So DD Army Batch 2, Hall of Fame, great community, and we can see that, can see so many pictures, so many images, everybody thumbs up. Fantastic. It's so nice to see that. All right, Kishore Ramani, thank you. Venkateshwar Rao, thank you. Ayush Podar, thank you. Kalpana, thank you. Purnima, Jigna Patel, yes. DD Army. Go ahead and put whatever you feel. Could be a line or two as well about the entire internship program experience. And I will just stop the recording now. Then we will have a few more moments until we end the webinar.